Hello, children. I welcome you to this new year 2022. Today, you're going to learn Term 3 Science Unit 1 Our Environment. What is environment, children? Our surrounding is our environment. That is the natural world. For example, the land, air, and water in which people, animals, and plants live. Come, let us learn the lesson, children. This lesson is a small conversation between Yalini, her father, Stephen, and Fatima. Okay, children? Look at the book line, children. Environment Introduction. Environment. Environment. Yalini and her friends are going to school with her father. Yalini is asking, "Hey, look at the parrots. Where are they going, Daddy?" Father, "They are flying towards the pond. They are flying towards the pond. Now they will settle on the trees." Fatima, Uncle, can you please take us there?" Stephen, "Yes, uncle. Shall we go and have a look at them?" Father, "Oh, yes." They were walking towards the pond. Yalini, "We should be quiet while walking, as there are not only parrots on the trees but also ant, spider, squirrel, myna, and monkey." Let me spell the spelling, children. A-N-T, ant. S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. Squirrel, S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Myna, M-I-N-A. And monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y. Fatima, "Oh, look at the fish and frog in the pond. I can see a turtle too. I can see a turtle too." Father, "Yes, see how they live in the same place depending on one another. They depending on one another." Stephen, "See there, goat and cow are grazing near the pond." Father, "Children, we are getting late. We shall go to school." All children says, "Yes, uncle. Thank you very much for showing us this beautiful place." Look at the picture, children. When do we celebrate World Environment Day? June 5th, we celebrate the World Environment Day. June 5th. Now let us try one activity, children. Write the names of the animals that you see in the previous page picture. Look at that picture, children, that is given on the previous page. Can you identify the animal's name? Can you identify, children? Okay, I'll help you. First one, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Buffalo, B-U-F-F-A-L-O, duck, D-U-C-K, duck. F-I-S-H, fish. Frog, F-R-O-G. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T. Grasshopper, Grasshopper. Then turtle, Turtle. Let us move on to the second activity, children. Classify the following into natural things and man-made things. Natural things and man-made things, children. Dam, river, coconut tree, building, jasmine flower, hill, cloud, silver, cell phone, temple, cake, air, sun, ship, water, pencil, book, doll, football, sunflower, crocodile, aeroplane is given, children. You can identify the natural things and man-made things. Look at the tabular column, children. Here, natural things is river, coconut tree, jasmine flower, cloud, air, water, sunflower, crocodile. These are all some natural things. We cannot make these things, children. So these are all natural things. Man-made things. Dam, building, silver vessel, cell phone, temple, cake, ship, pencil, book, doll, football, aeroplane. These are all not natural things. These are all man-made things. The last activity is match the following sources with their products and uses. The sources is, first one is what tree is given. Trees, the product is wood. The uses is will make some furniture. Look at the next picture, children. Sheep is given. The product is wool and leather. Uses is clothes. The next one is windmill. The product is wind energy. Uses electricity. The uses is electricity, producing electricity. What is the next picture, children? That is a field. The product is crop planting. Crop planting. The uses is food. The uses food. We are getting the food from fields only. The last and final picture is underground earth. The product is minerals. The uses is jewelry. The use is jewelry. That's all about this session, children. Let us continue the remaining part of the lesson in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe, children.